Chodesh Tov. Today is the first day of the month of Nisan. Torah calls this month the month of springtime, and we know it as the time of redemption. It's the month of Passover, the time that the people of Israel were freed from Egypt with great miracles. This is the time of both past and future redemption, and that means that it's time for us to leave our old selves behind, to get ready to receive a new light, to get ready to start walking towards a new freedom in our lives. The deepest secrets of Torah teach us that everything new is coming into the world starting today. Nisan is the source of all new beginnings. The very name of this month is from the Hebrew word for miracle. What is a miracle? A miracle shows us that only God is in control, that only He is reality. Our true goal this month is to prepare ourselves for new miracles and the revelation of God's oneness before the eyes of the entire world. Nisan is a time of great joy and great faith. Even as we speak, as Israel's isolation increases every day in the world, even as Iran's threats against her grow bolder, as the world preaches morality to Israel and clamors for a permanent ceasefire which would signal her defeat, as our hostages are held in the hands of evil incarnate and the world turns a blind eye, we remember that God's miracles are with us all at every hour and at every moment. And it's human initiative, Torah teaches us, empowered by faith and the resolve to do good, that creates the vessels in this world to hold the light of God's miracles. Let's bless each other this month of Nisan, that we may all experience the miracles of this month in our lives, as individuals, as a nation, as a united world, to see the divine revealed in all things, in ourselves and in each other, to awaken with joy and awe to the recognition of the Creator in our lives, to have an active role in bringing about the redemption towards a better world, the one that God entrusted to us. Chodesh Tov, blessings for a beautiful month of Nisan, the month of redemption.